Hey guys, Drew Burks here, and today is Friday, January 12th, 2018, and I want to show you a quick video. So if you're watching this video, it's most likely you've landed on my website, the Mailbox Money System, and I want to show you the evidence of what a Mailbox Money System actually is. But first I want to tell you, it's the blueprint that I'm willing to give you here is a step-by-step guide to show you exactly what you need to do to build your very own Mailbox Money System, from choosing your product, to building your funnels and your pages, to getting your ads set up and what type of ads you want to run, and how to track and measure that so that you can hopefully end up with a Mailbox Money System like the ones I build. And you can see that right here again, January 12th. Now I did a search here for no reply and order, right? And that's because I went from no reply and order has been placed. And what I've done here is in Gmail, you can search between dates. So I wanted to give you something very, very timely. So from September 1, 2017 through the end of the year, right? So it's very, very timely. Now you can see here, December 28th was the last sale that came in. Now look, these are 99, 99, 99, 10, 99, 10, 99, 25, 10, 95, 25, 25, 99, 99, 10. So most of them are 95. There are some 25s and 20s and 40s. And you see there's 50 per page here. And let's go back here. You can see this is going all the way down. And this runs through September because that's what I have the date on here. And if we just scroll through here really quick, you can see it just keeps going every day, every day, every day. Now, I also want to show you something so you know this isn't just something that we just did. I'm showing you evidence of it. So let me go back here and show you another time where we had an even bigger Mailbox Money System running. So we'll do June of 2014, and we'll go through June of 2016, so over a 2-year span. Now, you'll see I go ahead and click search, and you see the dates change, May 31st, 16, and these amounts are all different, 137, 367, 137, 367. Most of these are going to be 367 on this webinar. This was an automated webinar that we ran. And so this just goes on and on and on and on and on. And here, let me just scroll through here quickly so you can see. Right, there's an occasional spam email or advertising email, but you can see there's hundreds and hundreds of these, probably thousands if I go all the way through, because you can see here we start on May 28th, I think it was, and we're not even to the beginning of April here. So that's it, guys. I want to show you evidence of it. And again, go ahead and enter your name and email below and download the exact blueprint. Now you can take that blueprint and follow along. I'll teach you in a free training video also how to use the blueprint and how to follow step-by-step along so you can build something like this for yourself. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the inside.